marking the historic success of the Episcopal ordination of Right Reverend Bishop Bernard Lalu, the Auxiliary Bishop of Shillong Archdiocese, His Grace Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdor thank the government officials and the various departments for their support towards the success of the event. In his letter, he wrote, "To the state government officials, district administration, police department, municipal department, members of faith forums, media persons and donbosco. Dear friends, cordial greetings to all of you. Now that the functions in connection with Episcopal ordination of Most Reverend Bernard Lalu, the Auxiliary Bishop of Shillong Archdiocese are over, I would like to address a few words to you. On behalf of the Archdiocese of Shillong and on my behalf, I extend my sincere sentiments of gratitude to each and every one of you for your support, dedication and spirit of collaboration both in preparation for and conduct of the Episcopal ordination. Your active involvement, wholehearted participation and selfless service have truly made this sacred moment a memorable event. Meghalayans and Shillongites demonstrated a great sense of responsibility. Our guests from outside, especially the Apostolic Nuncio and the Archbishops and Bishops, had a special word of appreciation for the great spirit of collaboration. My prayers and gratitude are due in particular to our Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, the Ministers of the Government of Meghalaya, the members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, members of the District Council, the Chief Secretary, the officers of the State Government, the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, the Shillong Municipal Board, the Police Department and the Traffic Police, the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, other government departments, the donbosco of Lightenkra and its adjacent areas, the security and everyone involved in the successful organization of the programs of the day. I express my sentiments of gratitude to the members of Shillong All Faith Forum, the United Christian Forum of Northeast India, Khasi Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum and other faith leaders. We value much your support, prayers and valuable presence with us. I wish to thank the persons from the media fraternity for their presence and coverage of the event. May your role to bring awareness and harmony in society continue to grow as a service to humanity. Let this experience of unity and collaboration enable us to continue to support one another as we make a common journey of life. I request you to extend your support and cooperation to Shillong Archdiocese so that we can effectively work together for the good of the society. May God bless all of you, the city of Shillong and the state of Meghalaya. Thanking you once and with best wishes, I remain Most Reverend Victor Lingdor, DD Archbishop of Shillong, Archbishop's House, Shillong 793003, Meghalaya, India.